How to remove Instagram from your profile on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove Instagram from your profile on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and here you will find profile, click on it and then click here edit profile, and as you see here you will see your Instagram. Just click on it and click here confirm. And as you see now the Instagram have been removed from my profile, and that's it. It's easy, and that's how to remove it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.